How many ants would it take to lift Mount Everest? To lift something, we need to know its weight. The mass of Mount Everest is, unsurprisingly, immense. So what's the volume of Mount Everest? Mount Everest is roughly a triangular pyramid standing 8,849 meters tall with a base area of 515 square kilometers, which is 515 million square meters. Using the formula for a pyramid's volume, we get the density of the granite and sedimentary rock that forms Mount Everest is about 2,700 kilograms. And the formula for mass is, that's 4.1 quadrillion kilograms. But how much can an ant lift? Ants are famously strong for their size. Depending on the species, an ant can lift 50 times its own body weight. Each ant can lift a mere quarter of a gram. Now, we need to figure out how many ants we need to lift 4.1 quadrillion kilograms. We can calculate this using the formula ants equals weight of Everest lifting capacity of one ant. That's 16 quintillion ants, a number so big it's impossible to truly comprehend. Scientists estimate there are about 20 quadrillion ants alive right now. The current population of ants falls short by over 1,000 times. Even if we pressed every single ant into service, we'd still need to conjure up an astronomical number of extras. Theoretically, if we had enough ants, the combined lifting force would be sufficient to lift Mount Everest. But in reality, the weight of the ants alone would rival Mount Everest itself, and the ants would need to physically surround the mountain. With a surface area of 4,500 square kilometers for Mount Everest, each ant would have less than 0.3 square micrometers of space. That's cramped even for an ant. So, while ants are incredible creatures capable of lifting far more than their own weight, even their collective might isn't enough to hoist Mount Everest. The sheer scale of the task is beyond the capabilities of nature's tiniest weightlifters. But hey, the next time you see an ant carrying a crumb, just remember, it's a tiny reminder of the impossible feats we can dream up and never accomplish.